Today I'm going to be harvesting some of this buckwheat, and they're calling it buckwheat lettuce. And you can see I've got a supply of it here, so I'm not going to miss some when I take it out. To go in it, I have radishes here, and these taste like a radish, so adding a few of these is going to give it the radish taste. I'm going to add a little bit of arugula. Arugula's got a kind of a crazy taste, so I'm not adding very much of it. And then I have broccoli, and I'm going to just snip a few of the broccoli off and add them to my salad. The stems and all of the buckwheat. We're just going to take some off. Now work my way back. And you don't need many of these for a salad. I'm going to take probably a few more. And the ones that are fell down, we're going to take those. And we'll clean this up a little bit in a few minutes. All right, the lettuce didn't do anything there, so we're going to stick that there. All right, out of these broccoli, I'm just going to take, I'm not going to take the one that's just coming up in there. I'm going to let it grow. I'm going to take those few broccoli. Now the arugula is something I told you I'm not sure about, so we're going to take just a few of these. Just a few to add. And outside I have some onion chives and some garlic chives. So I'm going to go out and get onion and garlic chives, so I have some of those. Now these are my radish, so I don't want a whole lot of those, I just want a few. And we're going to make a salad out of this and add the onion chives and the garlic chives to it. I have some pineapple sage here, so we're going to take 3 leaves from the pineapple sage to give it a little sweet taste. Danny and I always have garlic chives, so we're adding this to our salad. My onion chives are just coming out, so we're going to take some of the bigger onion chives, garlic chives, onion chives, and pineapple sage. I'm going to take a couple of my English peas and throw them in there. 2 of these would be just plenty. I have a few carrots, like right here. I'm going to take a couple of carrots. All right, I came in and chopped up some of my Brazil nuts that Danny had cracked for me. I'm adding the English peas over in. Just a few carrots, not many. And then I'm adding huckleberries. Just a few. It doesn't take many. Huckleberries give it a great taste. I'm going to go ahead and chop up the garlic chives, onion chives, and the pineapple sage. And as a topping, I mixed up a little bit of apple cider vinegar with a little bit of oil, and I threw in just a teaspoon of Danny's scuppernong juice that he made. All right, guys. You wanted to know how to eat sprouts. Now, I added a variety. There's 3 different kinds of my sprouts in here, and I went and looked for other things to go with it. Now, my huckleberries came out of the freezer because we've got blooms. We don't have huckleberries this time of the year, but in about a month, month and a half, we should. The carrots came out of the greenhouse, as did the English peas. The pineapple sage, the garlic chives, and onion chives came from outside, or the onion chives in my greenhouse. I have to say, it's such a variety with the huckleberries, the carrots, that the greens don't taste overpowering. It actually has a good taste. It's a mild taste. The little bit of arugula I added, you wouldn't even notice it. You probably could have took a little more. And my salad dressing that I made is awesome. It gives it that hint of tangy, but yet sweet from the scuppernong juice. I think it's a winner. What do you think? Awesome.